look so. And then I want to send me go put on when I don't want to put on or change my ways. I am happy like I am. Yes, me like me 84 look. Please, big woman, wanna leave me alone. Just leave me alone. If this is the only thing you can do on social media and fight upon, the cooking, that make you live, the this, the that, we can't stop. Me we come talk and put up my cash up. Who want put $10, $5, $2? Me have speech, me know how to come and contact. No for uno can't come and contact. So, me no contact if somebody willing, then me no give nobody none. Me keep you whole line in my pocket like the rest of uno for myself. Me no stay so. Me like to share. And me love what me I do. Why you come point finger upon me? Don't stop point finger upon me, man. Make me survive and live, man. Uno husband and uno pitney if you come creep on half a road. Go on about uno business and left me alone. Come like sun in my face. That uno fi do. Leave me alone. Me no full bath and lie down in there, you know. Me never bathe in a bathroom. I always me bathe under. So me love my life. And me have nice bathroom. Don't leave me alone. And if you don't keep it up at all about cook for them and I disrespect me, me stop and show us and me can't live. Me want living before. But Jesus Christ, now whether I'm in Facebook, no me have no Facebook. Talk truth. And whether you Facebook, no me have no Facebook. So how comes now me have Facebook in a problem? No man, I don't feel do better than that now. We need to do better than this. Me I try to do something. Me not take up myself go build no damn house. When you go build house the people then just sit down and get the place free. Them no want help do nothing. Clothes and skirt or something that's straight, man. Whoa! Put the current on it. Full me eye. Come people, we need to do better on this. And a Jamaican tear down Jamaican style. Why we want to tear down one another all the while? Me I do a little something. How much morning me feel like I wake up and no go? But you have to do it. The people them are wait. Enough people up there, they are not crazy. They are not foolish. I don't know if you stop it. Stop carrying on with brother and with sister and make us safe we can build. These are the things that I talk about on Facebook. It's not the bloggers. I make the war a who know. I walk from page to page before you sit down and find something constructive to do. I got to do something. You sit the whole day from page to page and discriminate who you feel like discriminate. I'll me yellowish then soon start grey. But feel that I soon start with whole part of your grey. The whole of we are big people. Your whole of you my mama go school. If me not sure if I know you my granny. And my granny did 100 hard. Miss Lena Francis did 100 and hard year old. You don't need to behave on yourself, man. Yes, me a young woman on Facebook with smoke. Ask her to uno. Enough more me see but true. And me want no forget to blame. Me nah go change to nobody. When me feel like tap smoke, me tap smoke off of my own. Me never get up one morning and feel like tap, so me not tap. Me never get up one morning and feel like one bungle dey on top of me head. You no leave me alone, please, and thanks. Let me do my little thing. Me never even hear from Cooley that me need fear him because what go on. Me can't even go for my son. Me that try go for son this morning and me no go. Better me try carry over and put it. Unless me go use one taxi. Go down there go full 2 bag and turn up down there make one taxi carry me up. Easiest thing I have to try care about that van up put it. If you not left my road. That's my best thing today. Go there for a morning and start here. I'll stand back there. Think you there. Cooley. That me know too because me just tell us me can't go for no son. That me that tell us nobody come to the can. Oi Cooley. Tomorrow when you come, why you just deal with this something for me. And make sure you be here tomorrow. Alright. Alright, no problem, because I don't have no son neither. No sir, I don't go for this morning, but if I'm not run. No man, I use one taxi car a couple bag later, if you van no fix. Alright. No spell out anything come down here, no son, no there. Son, no me care what they are, it done. Enough bag, me care enough. Yeah. Well, I saw me stay. You know, want the man paying fear, come down here, nothing.